Welcome. Today, we're going to explore how to find archived groups on the Messenger app using your PC. With the latest updates, this process has become straightforward and user-friendly. If you've ever archived a group chat and are now wondering how to locate it, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First, open the Messenger app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account, as this will give you access to all your chats and groups. Once you're in, take a look at the left side menu. Here, you'll find various icons that represent different features of Messenger. The one we're interested in is the archived chat icon. It resembles a small box or folder and is your gateway to all your archived conversations, including group chats. Go ahead and click on that icon. After clicking, you'll be directed to a list of all your archived chats. This is where Messenger helps you keep your main chat list tidy, while still allowing you to access important discussions. As you scroll through, you'll see all the groups you've archived. Now, if you're looking for a specific group, you can make your search a lot easier. Use the search bar located at the top of the archived chat window. Simply type in the name of the group or any keywords related to the conversation. Messenger will quickly filter through your archived chats to help you find what you need. Once you locate the group you're looking for, just click on it. This will open the chat and you can jump right back into the conversation. If you decide you want to unarchive the group chat, you can easily do that as well, so it reappears in your main chat list. And that's it. Finding archived groups on Messenger for PC is quick and hassle-free with these simple steps. Keeping track of your conversations is essential, and this feature allows you to stay organized. If you enjoyed this guide, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks on using Messenger and other apps. Happy chatting!